Hello friends, welcome to KB Tutorials. It is slightly different video than normal tutorials. So as part of this video, what we are going to talk is about IDE, one of the online IDEs that are available at free of cost to everyone. And this is a CodeChef sponsored IDE, guys. So as you can see here, the URL is codechef.com/IDE. Actually, CodeChef is one of the India's leading competitive programming platforms, and IDE is that one thing they are offering us, which is for free of cost to any user, and you don't have to log in as well. As you can see, I have not even logged in. I'm just using this, and they support variety of languages. You name it, they have it here: C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, ADAP. So many: Ruby, PHP, Go, TCL, so many languages they are supporting, and for every language the user interface is the same thing, guys. So this is the IDE. So this is nothing but an integrated development environment. That means you have the environment where you can develop your code from the scratch, and also you can compile and you can run, and you can give input from the files as well, as you can see here. Okay, so why this is really useful for us, that is the first question. So many a times where we are working on a laptop, where let's say you have some Java code which you want to run, but that laptop is not having a Java installed, some other language that you want to develop some code, and where that language is not installed in your laptop. So you can directly come here, and you can develop your code, or you can copy paste that code over here, and you can verify against the different inputs, and you can get that desired output as well. So that is a one of the use case. And the second use case is like, let's say I did it this previously, and so let's say like you are attending some coding based interviews where you want to guess the output, and sometimes you could not, and you can directly open this website as a cheating. You can copy paste this and you can guess the output. So even not even that, most of the cases where there is no environment setup is there on the laptop, but you want to execute, that case is your online environment is really useful. And the best part of this CodeChef site is you have so many problems, guys. You have so many problem statements where you can learn competitive programming from the scratch here, be it data structures, be it math, be it all the related languages you can learn on this platform. And it's a free of cost platform as well. And as you can see here, it supports multiple tabs. That means each tab is different from other. Okay, and I'm going to show you this, how it's going to work, and how we can enter the input and output. Okay, so this input and output is will take little bit of time. Okay, so that I'm going to show here. So let me take one language. I have taken C++ as an example in this case. Way back in my BTech second year as a computer science student, I have coded in C++. Okay, so I'm going to touch this now. So let's say like use this one, enter a number. So since I'm entering a number, let me define that number as num. Okay, and read that number, scene number, and display that, and display by adding 2 to it. Okay, so here if you see, I'm entering the number and I'm reading that number, and I'm counting +2. That means whatever the number I'm entering, I'm adding +2 it. Okay, and here if you see here, it will be like this, guys. When you enter, okay, it will be like this. So here you want to read the number right from the keyboard, so you just need to click on this custom input, and you need to enter whatever the number you want to enter. Let me enter right here. Okay, that means this part won't be existing here. Okay, it will come in the output that you will see, but to read this number I have to give this 2 here, and let me run this. So I have given my input. If I run this, so it now you can see it is executing here, and you got the number as enter a number, and output also you got. Okay, so yeah, just a second here. Let me use something like \n. Yeah, now let me run this. now you can see we got the number. Okay, so this part will be executed later, whereas this part will be coming first. So it comes with a little bit of practice, guys. It's not a rocket science. It comes with little bit of practice. Let me just remove this semicolon and see how this you know errors been handled over in this. Okay, now you can see here this one. Now you can see initiate expected initializer before C out. Okay, so like this, that means they are trying to say that semicolon is missing over here. Okay, so like this you can play around this IDE, and it takes 1 or 2 days of time to get used to it. Okay, and the best part is like you can download this particular code, and you can see this is C++ code, so the extension also came as C++ directly, and you can open it. So whatever the code that you have developed, you can simply run, and you can download that directly. Okay, and I think there's a night mode as well. Different modes, different teams are coming over here, as you can see here. So it's really useful. I hope you guys like this, and if you like this video, and gives a big thumbs up to me, and do subscribe to my channel, and give it a try, guys. It's a very useful website for each and everyone out there. I hope it's informative for you guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in a comment section so that I can help more on this, and I'm going to put this in a description as well. So this is a new playlist that I am creating, guys. So trying to create a new playlist where I'm going to help few people out there with a few new websites, something like this, which is not many people knows, and few tech news. Recently I have developed a video where we have seen how we can add the COVID-19 number of cases brought to our particular website. So these are the small things that I am trying to come up with. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys find it interesting, and let me know your opinion in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you.